Hi, this is Steve Crypto from Goespay Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. I want to show us how to use a particular app called Goespay. It's a very nice app where most Nigerian bank card goes there. Let's go straight to the app. So it is called Goespay, as you can see it here. It's called Goespay. You can see it here. Goespay is called Goespay. So this is the name of the app. So your deposit will be in ZOF here. So, and you can also, after making deposit, I'll be showing us how to do it. You can also send your buy USDT on this platform and send it direct to Binance. Then you change your USDT to what? To Naira. So you can also buy crypto. Let me show you. Let it load. So you can see you can also buy USDT, you can buy Tron, you can buy Burst, you can buy BNB, and you can see their balance. Then you can also do what? As you can see, you can buy different coins here. So you just select your currency. This is how you select currency. USDT, you select USDT. Okay, I'm going to be doing a live transaction, so it will convert here. Let's say you select USDT here. USDT TRC20, you have selected it. This is what they buy. $1.740 is off. So you can now say I want to buy my balance is 11,004. Okay, my balance is 11,004. So this is where you put your ZOF amount, 11,400. 11,400. So you'll be getting 15 USDT. Then this is where you put your wallet address. So you come here. I have my wallet address here already. So on this platform, you can deposit with your Naira card and get ZOF, then exchange it here for USDT and send it direct to your Binance. So I'll be doing the live trade in a jiffy. So live in my Goespay account, I'll be doing a live trade now. So you come to this place, trading, you click. So you come to wallet. So this my wallet is opening. You can see I want to make deposit. So if you want to make deposit, you click here. It's already here, already on make deposit. So I impute. I want to buy 11,400 ZOF. So I will come here. I will choose a payment method. You can see I'm putting Paydo now. Okay, I think it has not loaded completely. So you'll be selecting payment method. After inputting your amount, you'll be selecting payment method. You can see I'm selecting this. So I will now proceed. You can see they are saying for you to take notes. You can read it, then you make deposit. Make deposit. So you can see, are you sure you want to deposit 11,004 ZOF? Yes. So you click on yes. Okay, it's booting. Okay, you can see. So you come to pay now and you click on pay now. So you come to this Visa here and Master, you click it. So this is where you impute your card details. So you can see there is a charge on it, 579 FCFA. That's ZOF. So I'll be imputing the detail. So I need to pause this video. So I've inputted my bank detail. So you can see. So we need to confirm with OTP. You can see we need to confirm with OTP. So once you enter OTP, it will be successful. So I'll need to pause that. So you can see I've inputted my OTP and it's already going. Let's hope it's successful. So there's a link in the description to this particular site. Use it. So this is the app Goespay. So I think it has gone successfully. Now if I log in, you see my balance will change. So this is the app. If you want to sign in, if you want to sign up, you create an account So you create an account, and it's easy to create an account. You can use your NIN, you can use your international passport, your premium NIN. There's a link check among my playlists and you see the videos that can help you for that, to create your premium link if you don't have it. Then I'll leave a link to this particular site, so use it and use the referral code, and also hit the like button, hit the bell button for personal notification, and also subscribe to our channel. We appreciate that. So I will log in now so that we'll see the balance. So you can see I've logged into my Goespay, and you have seen that the ZOF amount has been updated here. Formerly I have 11,400. So if I want to withdraw, if I want to make withdrawal now, that's if I want to buy, I will come to this place, buy crypto. You come to buy crypto. So let me come to buy crypto. Let me come down. The network is slow. Okay, and these are my histories of transaction. So let's come to wallet, trading. You come to trading, you can see it here, trading. You come to trading. So we select what we want to buy. We want to buy USDT TRC20. So one ZOF, you can see that one ZOF is equal to 740. So I have 22,800. This thing has not finished booting. 22,800. So I want you impute your amount of ZOF, 22,800. You can see that. So your amount of ZOF. Okay, let it boot. Let me pause this. So you can see I've put the amount of ZOF that I have as my balance, and you see we have 30.81 USDT. That's what I'll be receiving. And you can see my wallet address has been placed. My Binance USDT RC20 address is here already. This is it here. So I can now buy. So if I click on buy, now you can see this is what it's telling me. You can see, yes, continue. So let me pause the video. So you can see, even while it's loading, my balance is now 0 ZOF. So I'll be expecting the alert, the deposit in my Binance wallet. So let's go there. So I'm logging into my Binance now. Let's see if it has landed. The network is so slow, so I have to pause the video. So you can see that by the time I logged in my Goespay and I entered back, so you can see that it said transaction successfully completed. You will receive your coin shortly. So I'll click OK, and you can go to your history and you see that this particular transaction has been completed. Okay, where's the transaction? You can see it here. It has been completed. Do you understand? It has been completed. So now this is how you run your Goespay with your Binance. Kindly check link in the description for the link to Goespay. Use my referral code and also the link to Binance. Thank you. We appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. God bless you.